How to make Roblox less laggy on laptop. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix the lag on Roblox on your laptops. So let's dive in. First you have to open your Roblox game and then you have to click the settings gear on the top left corner. Now simply choose settings over here and then you have to just scroll through and find this option that says graphic mode. Choose it to be manual and then adjust the graphic quality according to your computer needs. My computer can go up to 3 grades, but if you prefer you can go with 1 and then once done click resume. Now you have to close the Roblox game over here and back to home. Now I'm going to go to the search bar over here and I'm going to go to my settings over here. On my settings I'm going to just wait for it to load and then I'm going to go to the gaming section. And in the gaming section, click game mode. Now, make sure you have turned the game mode on. If the game mode is on, it will be good for the optimization of the game and make it less laggy. Now, you have to go back and click this cross and then come to the search bar and search for Task Manager. On the Task Manager, you have to just end the task that you are not using. Just close the background apps that are running in the background. So to do that, you have to simply click the app over here and right click on it and then you have to click end task. Like this, you have to end all the tasks for the background apps that are running in the background and slowing your game. Now go to the search bar again and click settings. You have to search for settings and then click settings and then choose system over here. In the system option, choose display and now you have to scroll down to the graphics option. Once you find the graphics option, click it. And now you have to scroll through and find Roblox over here and choose it. And now you have to choose the GPU preference over here and choose high performance. And then once done, you simply have to just make sure that optimization for Windows gaming is on. And then you have to click this cross on the top. Now search for adjust performance on the search bar. And then you have to just choose these settings that I'm choosing. You can either go with adjust for the best appearance and adjust for the best performance, or you can go with a custom one and you have to just uncheck all these boxes that I'm unchecking over here. And if you go with a custom option, you have to just uncheck all these boxes that I did and just check these boxes that I did and then click apply. Now head over to the search bar again and search for run. And then press enter. And now you have to enter temp over here and then click OK, or you can press enter on the keyboard. And it's going to open the temporary files for you that you have to delete. And once you have deleted all the temporary files, you'll be good to go.